Hi, I'm Helen from Helen's House and Garden, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take a rosemary cutting. So I've got a rosemary here, it's just a standard Rosemary Officinalis, and it's very easy to take a cutting from a rosemary, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you need some sharp secateurs, and what you want to do is find a suitable piece of branch to cut, and you want something in the range of about sort of 6 to 8 inches. So I'm going to chop this one here, and then simply closing the secateurs, I'm going to take off the lower branches. I'm going to save these because you can use these for cooking. You can either use them fresh or you can dry them out. So you just simply strip off all the leaves, and you want a good couple of inches or a few centimetres of woody twig which doesn't have any leaves on there. And then very simply, being quite careful, just use the sharp blade to remove the actual covering, so you expose the root. So you'll see that it's a greeny coloured stem. Simply all you do then is just pop it into some water. Now I'm just going to tip a little bit of water out because I don't want it to go onto the actual greenery. So just sit that above, and then you just leave it. And in a few weeks' time, the bottom, hello Monty, the bottom will grow roots. And then once you've got a root system, you can actually transplant that. So we're going to leave this to go. I'm going to do another one, and then we'll come back to it in a couple of weeks' time, and hopefully everything will have rooted, and I'll show you what to do next. So you just remove all the bottom stems of rosemary. They're not for you, darling. No, it's not for you. I don't think that would be very good for you. With the assistance of the trainee gardener. And then when you've got enough stalk exposed, just very carefully with a sharp pair of secateurs, scrape off the bottom of the stem, so you've exposed the woody stalk below. Some people don't bother to do this. I think that you get more roots grow off the bottom of the stem if you do. Make sure you close your secateurs for safety, and then just pop it into a jar. That's all you need to do to take a rosemary cutting. We'll come back and we'll see how it roots in a few weeks' time. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. That really helps my YouTube channel to grow. And if you have any comments or questions, please hit me up below, and I shall be seeing you.